Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try on these Bob braided wigs. I've actually introduced this style to you before, and I also have a tutorial on how to make it. So if you want to know how to make a Bob wig, I'll leave the link in the description box down below, just in case you're interested. I have this is color 2, this is color 1900, it's like a burgundy, and this is color 133. It's some black mixed with it's black mixed with some brown. Yeah, 133, 1900 burgundy, and color number 2. Comment down below if you love the wigs, if you love the bob wigs, and if you're interested in any of my products or this ones, I'll leave my details in the comments section down below so you can contact me and I'll send them to you. Okay, so if you don't like it to be too dark, go for 133. Yeah, yep. So you can add accessories if you want to. Just add some ribbons, some beads on it. Yeah, so this is how it looks, guys. So on this on the parting right here, you can just apply a foundation to make it blend well with your complexion.